I had to make another card with the Taco Fiesta stamp set because it is retiring in just a few short weeks, and it's just so adorable. Especially with Cinco de Mayo coming up pretty soon, it's absolutely perfect to grab it now before it's gone. There are so many cute little images in this stamp set and so many different ways you could use it. And so I just chose a few of the images, and then it's awesome that you just have to stamp it with the black Memento ink pad, and then you can color it in with whatever you want. But I use these Stampin' Blends markers today, and I just chose lots of just colorful, fun colors because I thought that it would be fun to make a birthday card. Now look at the little faces that you can add here. Those faces are also in the stamp set, and I think that they're hilarious, especially that little mustache that I added on the cactus. I just love it. Now you see that I'm just coloring it up here, and you can use whatever shades you'd like. I love the Stampin' Blends markers because they're alcohol based and they make it so you can blend the colors together, and it makes you look like a really good colorer, which I'm normally not very good at that. So we're just going to cut out the little tortilla chips here, and then we will layer up the card base. Now I also use the 6x6 Brights Designer Series paper for this card base. That's another thing that's going to be retiring here in just a couple weeks. And that's a really great one to add to your stash. And actually, it's on sale too. It's a great deal for the pack. So this is a very simple layout. It's just adding the little squares across the top there. And you could do this with tons of different images. And so I thought it would be a perfect layout to use different little guys from the Taco Fiesta stamp set. So that ribbon is also going to be retiring, and I love it because it has a little bit of metallic to it, and then you can see how you can fray the edges here, the ends, and that just adds a little bit of fun too. So all of the link to the retired list, all of that is on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and it'll take you to, you can go to my Stampin' Up website and see all the items that are retiring. And I will have the measurements and all of the products that I've used to make this card on there too. So head over to my website.